Welcome to KahindoTech Lab, where I unbox different products. Today I have this here Canon Rebel T100. I'm really getting into videography now, and I've been slowly buying different products like the lights, the tripod, and I'm getting into cameras, different recording equipment. So today, I got my very first Canon camera, and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So this is not a review, it's simply an unboxing video, all right? So let's begin. Do you ever find it difficult to narrow down your search for electronics on some of these major online shopping websites? SEMforce has taken out the stress of having to spend hours researching and reading reviews. We have compiled some of the highest quality tech gear with consideration to cost, because we know you value quality. From headphones, wireless speakers, screen protectors, phone cases, and phone chargers, we have all the cell phone accessories that you need. Most products are delivered within 3 to 10 business days. Check out SEMforce at www.simforest.com. All right, so let's begin. We'll start by opening up the box. There we go. Woo. All right. As you can see, it seems like there's a memory card. I'm not sure if this came with it or somebody just forgot it. It's unusual, but this is my first camera, so I don't know if they come with memory cards. But anyways, I have a free memory card. So that's one thing. All right, and it has like the handle. And then just some manuals. And then if we go underneath the cover, ooh, let's do the camera last. If I open this up, you see that it comes with the basic lens, the camera lens. Let's pull this to the side. Camera lens. And then there's the charger. And the battery, and let's open this up actually. I'll open later. So the battery, and then finally the camera. So to start opening them, let's start with the lens first. All right. As you can see, it's the basic 18mm lens that comes with it. There you go. Ooh, put it right there. And then, like I said, the camera, the battery charger. If we open this, let's stay on the camera. There you go, that's the battery that comes with it. And then let's move all this stuff to the side. The main event. There you go. That's the camera. That's the T100, Canon T100 camera. As you can see, ooh, right there. There you go. You see that, guys? Let's plug in the battery and turn it on and see how it looks like. And put the lens. There you go, and let's turn it on. I believe the on button. Where is the power button? Oh, you just flip the switch and it comes on. Oh, so that's the all the way over there is off, and then you keep moving. There we go, and I just have to, that is open. And let's go to camera. Video camera. And there you go. That's the Canon T100, as you can see. All right, that was the whole unboxing experience. As you can see here, we have the T100 Canon camera. It looks pretty decent so far. By the way, I only bought it for $329, so that is pretty low for a camera, and it's only my beginner camera. For me, it's good enough for now. Until as I grow, I'll get more like higher quality cameras. Quickly though, some key features that the manufacturers, at least that were key features. They say it has 18 megapixels. Also has the ISO 640 for the 6400 for the camera, and for image, and 640 for video. All right, and it also shoots full HD movies. Can shoot up to 3 frames per second, and also has Wi-Fi capabilities. I never really understand what the point of having Wi-Fi capabilities in a camera. I don't think nobody actually ever like sends the video like or pictures through Wi-Fi, so I never understand that. But anyways, those are the key features. I will have like a full spec description list in my video description. All right, so check that out, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. I want to focus on unboxing cameras, wireless speakers, maybe some audio interfaces, and some drones. That'll be my focus at the beginning, because those are the things that I'm interested in. All right, if you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comment section below, and let me know if you can think of anything cool that I should open next. All right, thank you for watching, and see you next time.